Hi, welcome to Latest Excel. Today we will see how to create a worksheet navigator that will help you to search and select from various sheets that are present in a single Excel file. Something like this. P star else give you everything that has P and L in it. So let's get started. We go to developer, Visual Basic. Let us insert a user form. Let's add a text box first. Let us call it text search. Now let's add a combo box. Let us call it combo sheets. Let's add some labels. Now let's add a command button. Let's rename it. CMD close. Let's set cancel to true so that when you press escape button it gets executed. Now let's write the code. So first let's begin with simple. Let's write code for this close. Now let's write a code for user form initialization, because we need to load all the sheets in the combo box. So we'll do it here. We'll go to user form. The event will be initialize. For now what we we have done here is that for each worksheet that is present, we have added its name to the combo box. Now let's execute and see how it looks. Now you see all the sheet names have populated. You can see it at the bottom, all those are populated. Now we need to select them and activate them. So how do we do it? Let's double click on the combo sheets. Now let's write a code for the combo sheets change event. Now we have to specify condition if is greater than or equal to 0, then that's it. Now let's see if this works. Currently we are on profit and loss sheet. Now let's select something. Let's select revenue actuals. Now this has actually selected the revenue actual sheet. Now let's add this same functionality to search box. Similar we have to do. Now what are we going to do here? Whenever someone types a text to search sheet name, we will search that text in each sheet name and we will add those sheets names into the combo box for wherever the search string is found. So let's see how to do that. Now let's create a temporary variable and let's set it to blank. Now temp equals application dot worksheet function. What function we are going to use? We are going to use search. What are we going to search? We are going to search the text that is present in text box. So text search dot text. Now where are we going to search it? In the sheet name, which is sh dot name. What is the starting position? It will be 1. Well, these are the parameters for the workbook function that we see. There is a formula called search and we have specified all the formulas. Now what's going to happen? If the sheet name is found, then the whole function will return a number which will get stored in temp variable. Otherwise it will remain blank, which is what we have specified here. So now what we will do, we will check if this temp is a numeric value. So if is numeric temp, then combo sheets dot add item sh dot name. Now let's check how is this working. So let's check if we can find the profit and loss sheet. Now I don't know if it is profit and loss or P&L, so what I can do, I can say P star L. Now let's see what we find. PL summary, profit and loss, and all the other sheet names which have P and L in them. So let's select this and we see it's activated. Let's check the other sheet name, cost. All the sheets which have the word cost have been populated. Let's select fixed cost. Let's name this user form. Let's run it again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.